In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to establish a personal blog, launch an online store, or create a portfolio, Wix offers a flexible and user-friendly platform to bring your ideas to life. So, let's dive in and get your website up and running. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to Wix's website using your preferred web browser. It's always a good idea to bookmark the page, so you can easily return to it in the future. Once you're there, the next step is to either create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Wix makes this part seamless, allowing you to use your email or a social media account to sign up with just a few clicks. After successfully logging in, you'll notice a visible button inviting you to create a new site. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the fun begins. Wix will present you with a choice on how you'd like to build your site. You can either let Wix ADI create a site for you based on a few questions, or you can choose to explore the Wix editor for a more hands-on approach. If you love having creative control, selecting the template route is the way to go. Wix offers a plethora of templates, catering to a wide range of industries and styles, so take your time to browse through the options. Once you find a design that resonates with your vision, click on it, then hit the Edit button to start customizing. This is where the magic happens. The drag and drop editor. It's intuitive and perfect for beginners. Feel free to personalize your template by changing text, photos, or even adding new elements like galleries and social media links. You're really in charge here. To enhance functionalities, head over to the Wix App Market. Here you'll find a variety of tools and applications to add to your site, like contact forms, booking options, or live chats. These enhancements can add significant value and professional touch to your website. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Preview to see your website in its live version. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is in order before taking your site live. Satisfied with what you see? Awesome! Now it's time to click that Publish button located at the top right corner of your screen. You'll then be asked to choose a domain. This could be a free Wix domain or a custom one, depending on your needs and your budget. Finally, with your site live, it's time to share your new website with the world. Spread the word through social media, email lists, or any other platforms you're a part of. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created your own Wix website. Happy building! Happy!